Welcome to another Demolition Derby 2 video. Today I'm going to show you some basic rules about racing. I'm going to use the Lagoon. It's the fastest one I have. I think it's the fastest in the whole game. So, I'm going to do it in Palm Tree Sprint. Seems easier. Also some tips. So here, you get a boost if you start holding on the gas pedal before it says go. I'm still counting down. Understand the inside, don't go on that bump. And this really important one, always go between those little flagpole things. And like little checkpoints. So if you don't go there, then at the end of the race it's gonna say that you're in last place, even when you finish the race first. So you have to get through all of those. Try to get inside. Already finished. Those are some of them. Okay. Racing. So here's another one that's hard. So you should definitely stay in this area. Go between the flag things still. But what's different here is stay off that little white mark, because it messes up your car. See, that's what I mean. It totally messes it up. So, yeah. Now it's a demolition. Demolition mode. I'm gonna do the dome. Okay, so I'm on that thing. There's a net back there, which I hate, but whatever. Okay, so you basically just stay outside going in circles like me. And then I'm not sure you'll find a car. I flipped that guy over. Oh, come on, it did too much damage to me. That wasn't what I was trying to show you, but for some reason, this race, everyone's going out. Just come in once you get a lot of speed, when you have a chance, and you just epically crash them, and you get out quickly, or else they start crashing you like that. I don't like to stay in the middle. I'll just do a lap. Then, oh, actually, I could just do half like this. Whichever one seems easier for you. Nah, come on, I missed him. If you miss them, don't try getting them again. Please, did you miss them? You messed up a chance, but it's not really that much of a big deal. Come on! What do I keep missing? I'm trying to stay in here. Try this little ring thing, because then it just damages your wheels. Depending on which one you have. Some of them it just damages the body. Like the Ram, it doesn't do it as much. It's like evenly within tires and like the body part. So yeah. Come on, why do I keep missing? Look at this one and that one. Okay, now I'm getting out of here because everything is getting too crazy. Okay, so I'm doing terrible so far. Always get like the ones that are at green. Because then at the end, they have more health than you. Then it epically lowers the chance of you winning. Like if I'm green, they're red at the end of the race. See, like, that one's gonna beat all of them. Oh, come on. You got destroyed. Why do you have to get destroyed in my face? Don't run over cars or tires. Do take damage from that. Okay, yeah, I crashed him. After all the times I got crashed, just to crash that one great one. Oh, look, look. This guy's just gonna crash. And down to orange. See what I mean? Like, he has the most health out of everyone in the whole race. Probably like one of the lowest ones. Power, crash his side. Die. Okay. I'm good. When it gets to 2 more, it gets really hard. Because there's no one else taking him out for you, which is why that strategy is good. So really just try to attack them whenever you get a chance. Oh my gosh, now down to 2 cars. Which includes me. But not 2 opponents. Oh, he crashed. But I did this. Okay. Unless he took more damage than me. My wheel's already coming out. If you're on test drive or on racing, the wheels just come off. You don't explode. But on demolition, you automatically explode. Come on. Why did it even fall for his traps? This guy just keeps a ton of traps all over the place. You have to find out the strategy. Like this guy, just place traps. Which I hate traps. Well, he's falling for his own traps at least. Not me. Him. This guy's trying to get me. Try to get them out like that. Or you have a car that turns better than theirs. Of course that would work. Pow. Oh! He got crashed. Oh, this button work. I'm gonna just get out of here. Okay, so both really close to losing. That's for sure. You can tell how bad I am. we almost always end up like this by the end of the game. Around that time. I don't like about having this car. This car just won't turn well, or as well, and I beat him. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.